Welcome, and thanks for joining us. Over the next few minutes, we're going to open the actual DreamzCMMS RFID app and portal and walk through how it supports manufacturing operations. Whether you run one plant or 50, you'll see how it tracks every tool, machine, and component, from the moment it arrives on the shop floor, through internal movements between production lines, transfers between plants and warehouses, right through shipment, and finally to the day it's retired. This is the real platform your shop floor and warehouse teams would use every day. Every asset's journey starts with getting it into the system. For a single tool or machine, the register feature does the job. Select the product, and then give the plant or warehouse location. And if you track assets at that level of detail, the department, building, and room. For example, production floor, building 2, room 4. For a full shipment at once, a pallet of raw materials, or a batch of new tooling, bulk serialization takes over. Select the location, the product, and the expected quantity, then hit Continue to scan. From there, it's as simple as pointing the handheld RFID scanner at the stock. Switch to multi-scan, and every tag within range is captured in seconds, no matter how large the shipment is. For anything that hasn't been RFID tagged yet, such as older machinery or third-party tooling, the same scan screen also supports a quick barcode or QR code scan as a fallback. Once stock is registered, checking it is just as simple. Open Inquiry, select the plant or warehouse, and scan to instantly see everything on hand, right down to the individual tool or component. Need to find one specific tool or machine fast? That's where Asset Locator comes in. Type in the serial number, product SKU, or simply search by RFID, and the app guides you straight to it. No more hunting across the shop floor or tool crib. Moving equipment between production lines or departments within the same plant? The Move feature handles that. Select the location, the department, the product, and scan to confirm the transfer. Here's where it gets powerful for any manufacturer running more than one facility. Say you're moving equipment from a central warehouse to a production plant, or directly between two plants. From the sending side, open Dispatch, select the From Location and the Destination location, add a dispatch note if needed, and scan every item being sent. Each item is now logged as in transit, tied to a unique dispatch reference number. On the receiving side, at the plant, open Receive, select your location, and simply choose the matching dispatch reference number. Scan the incoming stock to confirm it has arrived, and it's automatically added to that plant's inventory. No spreadsheets, no phone calls to confirm what shipped. The system tracks the transfer end to end. We'll also see the complete audit trail for this in the reports coming up in Part 2. When a tool or machine reaches the end of its life cycle, whether it's damaged or decommissioned, the Unregister feature removes it from the active inventory list with the same quick scan. So, to recap, assets are tagged through register and bulk serialization, checked instantly through Enquiry and Asset Locator, moved internally through Move, transferred between plants through Dispatch and Receive, and retired through Unregister. That's the app your shop floor and warehouse teams use every day. Now let's switch over to the web portal. This is where your plant management team gets the full picture.